Fall is in the air, football has started. Got pumpkin spice creamer, but it's still 92 degrees here. It is currently September 7th, Saturday, and it does not feel like fall whatsoever, but I can't take it anymore. I keep seeing everyone on YouTube decorating. I keep seeing fall in every store I go to, so it's here. We're doing this. We are going to, I've got my box here of fall stuff. I thought I had a lot more than I'm seeing right here. Maybe I'm missing a bin, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna kind of go through, see what I have, and then we are going to clean up the house because it is a disaster. And then I'm not gonna really show myself decorating, I'm just gonna kind of show what everything looks like afterwards. So yeah, if you guys want some cleaning motivation and to check out some fall decor, then keep watching. I'm gonna show you guys our stuff that I bought from this year. Like this, I just recently bought because I used it for a DIY. I'm gonna see if I can use some, because I took some of the flowers off, but I am gonna see if I can somehow use this for something else. And then if you guys saw my Dollar Tree haul with these guys, these are so stinking cute. These I plan to put outside. They're so cute, I love these. And these towels, my mom actually bought me for my birthday. She knew that I needed some fall towels. I just love these. So these are gonna go on the oven, and then these are probably gonna be like just my regular kitchen towels that we're gonna use. And then she also bought me this little coffee cup that matches these towels, and I thought it was so cute. These are from Kohl's. I believe all this stuff is from Kohl's. We're gonna dig into my bin and see what we have here. This sign, I remember, this is from last year. I love this one. I don't even remember where I had it hanging last year, so maybe we'll find a new spot for it, but I love this one. It's little decor decals that we'll probably put on the back door. I remember I had my girls help me last year, and they are not here right now. They're at my mom's, so I may just do them myself. Ooh, I forgot about this. Oh, this is so pretty. I made this last year. I totally forgot about this one. So this is just a wreath that I made from Dollar Tree. It costs like $3. So yes, I totally forgot about that. Oh, and these, I remember I made these last year. These are those little orange styrofoam pumpkins that I just recently did a DIY with these. I made these last year, and these would go really good in my office now. Oh, it's almost gone. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is just a pumpkin spice candle that I have, and I'm gonna go ahead and light this bad boy now because it's pretty much almost gone. These, I have no idea where I'm gonna put them, but these are from Dollar Tree as well. So those are super cute. Okay, I don't even remember buying this, but it looks to be like a garland that I'll probably put on my mantle. I don't even remember where I got this. Oh my goodness, yes, I remember. So these are kind of falling apart because we live out here in 1,000,000 degrees, but I had glued a bunch of these little leaves to this candle, and then it's one of the little like LED ones. And I think I had these in one of my lanterns. Oh no, it got left on. I'll have to change the batteries in this one. But I thought these were cute. I'll probably have to touch them up a bit because the leaves are just falling right off. Oh my goodness, I do not even, oh yeah, he's gonna lay right here. Perfect spot for you, Tate. This candle, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Where is this from? Copper and basil, baked pumpkin spice, and this smells amazing. Oh my goodness, I might have to light this one too. I gotta figure out where I got this one because I need another one. And then this was another little DIY that I made last year. It's just one of those little like milk bottle things, and I put tissue paper in it, and then I put some ribbon, and then I just stuffed it with some leaves from Dollar Tree. So I think that turned out really cute. I just have a bunch of random little, like, I think I made a centerpiece last year. Yeah, I have no idea where that is now, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. I'll find some use for them, and these cute little fake grapes. Another candle, this one is a pumpkin nutmeg pie. This one does not smell nearly as good as the last one. Where is this one from? I have no idea where this one's from, but it does not smell great. So maybe don't buy this one. These I made last year. These are from Dollar Tree as well. These were, actually, I think I think this is like the color that it came in, and it actually came pretty much just like that. And then these two I spray painted because I don't think I liked the color. But I'll try to find these videos for you guys and link them if you guys want to check these out. Because yeah, I don't exactly remember what they look like before, but I'll put these up somewhere. This is just a little pumpkin potpourri bowl that I've had it for years. I want to say it's from Kohl's, and it really doesn't even smell anymore. Tater tot. It's not food. So yeah, it doesn't really smell anymore, but I'm wondering if maybe I could spray it or put some cinnamon, ooh, cinnamon essential oil in here. Maybe I could do that so that it'll smell again. But I thought that was cute. It's just like a little pumpkin shape. Then the last thing I have are these little candy corn lights. I might put these up with the garland on the mantle. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember what I did with these last year, but they're really cute. They literally look like candy corn. So, all right, you guys, let's get into cleaning and then we will decorate. Let's do it. All right, here we go. This is real life. This house is a disaster. There's just crap everywhere. Stuff left over from breakfast, my coffee, papers. It's just a hot mess. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what it looked like before, and then we are going to get into cleaning. And I did show you guys, I cleaned up the master bedroom and the master bathroom, but I didn't do any fall decorations in those two rooms. But I figured since I was cleaning them, I might as well just put them in the video. So yeah, don't judge. So I usually like to start in the master bathroom just because, you know, this is where I get ready in the morning, and I'm usually in a hurry so that I can get the kids off to school. So I'm just going back and putting everything away because it looks like a tornado hit. And I don't know, I just feel like if the countertops are clean, then it just makes me feel better about life. So this is usually where I like to start. And for the countertops, I'm going to use my Method all-purpose wipes, and these are in the sea salt and lime scent, and they smell so nice and refreshing. I did get a bunch of new stuff from Grove, which I'm going to be using throughout the video, so I'll let you guys know everything that I'm using. And I do have a link down in the description box if you guys have never tried out Grove before. You can get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's set, and they do have all of their yummy fall scents out right now, so you guys should totally go check those out. But yeah, I will link that down below for you guys to check out. And for those of you that have been watching my channel for a while and saw me make that Dollar Tree shelf hanging up behind my bathtub, I want you guys to know that thing is still hanging in there, strong as ever. It has not fallen down once, and it's just hanging up with command strips. So I am so impressed with that thing. Next, we are moving on to the bedroom. Oh my gosh, it is a disaster in here. This is most of my husband's clothes. We do our laundry separately just because his are smelly, because he's a guy. So no offense. So that is his laundry basket right there. So I'm just gonna go through and clean up random clothes and towels and just tidy up the room and dust a little bit, and then move on to my office. And now my office is actually super clean. I just redid it last weekend, and yeah, it really doesn't need anything. There's just a little bit of paper and clutter lying around, and I did want to just wipe off the glass top one time. But yeah, this room was very, very easy. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. And now I'm moving on to the dining room. I'm just going to go ahead and dust and clean the mirrors and then remove all of the summer stuff so we can get ready for the fall stuff. I couldn't decide on where I wanted to put it. And oh yeah, this roll of toilet paper has been sitting there since my husband's 40th birthday. So let's go ahead and put that somewhere. Look at those beautiful stars. And I did just turn on Maya. That is our Roomba robot, iRobot vacuum. And that thing is just going to run while I clean, and then that way when I'm all finished I can just mop the floors. So I am going in with my Method wood cleaner to clean our dining room table.
Look at the beautiful stars. I want to drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone.
Now moving on to the coffee bar, I did recently just clean out this drawer right here. It may not look like it, but I actually took everything out and threw a lot of stuff away, but that drawer just kind of accumulates everything. And so now I'm going in with my Method grapefruit like all-purpose cleaner, and that is from Grove as well, and I just really like this scent. It's nice and fresh, and it's a really good one.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
And now moving on to the kitchen portion, I just like to declutter the countertops first of all. I just had stuff out from breakfast. I've got their sunscreen out, my coffee, all the cleaners. So yeah, I just like to clean everything up first, and then I'm going to move on to putting dishes away and then doing up the dishes that I have in the sink. And if you guys have watched my DIYs, you know that I like to do all of my projects on the quartz countertop, which this countertop is so durable and nothing stains it, which is great. So I have this little, just like a little razor blade that I take and scrape anything off, like if I get glue or paint, and I had some gold glue on it from, I don't even know what project I was doing, but yeah, I like to keep my little razor blade handy, and if I ever need to clean anything off the countertop, that thing works wonders. And now I'm going to go ahead and do up my dishes. I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's in the Compassion Flower scent, I believe this is. This is like a limited edition. I don't even know if they still have it anymore now that they have all their fall scents out, but oh my goodness, this one smells so good. Kind of reminds me of a Victoria's Secret perfume that I used to wear back in the day, and it smells so good.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Looking back at the good times before.
Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my stainless steel using my Method stainless steel cleaner. This is also from Grove as well, and I just really like this one. It doesn't seem to be too like oily. I have one that I got from Costco, I think, and it is just so messy. Like if you get it on the floor, it's really hard to get off. So I really like this cleaner. Alright, now we are moving on to the living room, and this is probably my least favorite part of the house to clean just because it gets so trashed. Just toys and random stuff everywhere. So what I like to do first is just kind of go through and grab a bunch of the toys and take them upstairs to the playroom. And there's my little helper. Tater Tot was helping me like the whole time I was cleaning. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and declutter and then vacuum and dust, or I should say dust and vacuum.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye
right, now we're gonna go and do the floors. This is from Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner. It's a lavender scent, and this is also from Grove. And I'm using my favorite mop, the O Cedar. I did a review on this mop too. It's my favorite, and I've gotten a couple comments about saying, man, this must take you forever because it's so small. And it really doesn't. It's not that bad. It looks really super tiny on the videos, but it's actually not that bad when you're actually doing the floors. So it doesn't take me all day. And here is what our home looks like after the cleaning and after I got all of the decorations up. I think it looks so warm and inviting. I used to not love fall because, not the season, just I didn't love fall decorations because I didn't care for the oranges and the yellows. But as I'm getting older, I really do appreciate these colors, and it just makes everything feel so warm and inviting. And it smells amazing in here because I have my little crock pot going with my potpourri in it, and I'm ready for the weather to cool off now because it feels like fall. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got a little motivation to maybe do some cleaning and decorate of your own. So I hope you guys have a great week, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.